Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice Oxford white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the tow and haul package as well as the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera of course, mud flaps on the rear. You also have a nice gripped running board, side view camera with blind spot detection, and we do have a nice turn light indicator mirror. We have a nice hood deflector, front park sensing, we have a block heater in there, license plate bracket with 2 tow hooks, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably, and we do have this nice gray cloth interior with different gray cloths. Plenty of door space. We got 2 cup holders right there, a 12 volt, 2 USB-Cs, and 120 just right there. And of course, if you need more space, you can always lift up the seats as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats, as well as the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space, parking brake, tailgate light and lights, blind spot, and tailgate opener right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 11.2 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped heat steering wheel with your toggle-free menu, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control just right there. Looking at main screen, you can go for My View, Trip and Fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Taking a look over there, plenty of storage, as well as a little cup holder for pens, cup holders as well, and lifting this up, you do get storage underneath, which is pretty handy. Storage right there, of course, USB and USB-C. You have a nice leather-wrapped center console with a fair bit of storage with 2 USB-Cs down there. You have your drive modes with rear locking differential, 4-wheel drive, trailer disconnect, pro trailer assist, heated front seats plus dual climate, a 12 volt, 120 volt, storage in the glove compartment, and clicking here, you do have storage right there as well. Looking up here, you got storage above. We do have a nice rear window opener, which is pretty handy. Auto stop, auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, and clicking here, you can go through the different camera settings, park assist, hazards, and traction. And looking at your main screen here, you do have your audio with Sirius XM capabilities, phone, navigation, your Fave app, which you can select from these few, apps in general, such as Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, or any apps you've downloaded, your settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KE00450, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call if interested.